Hello friends. So, Doodlebug, of course. I was trying to hold off filming this. I got this just recently because I was waiting for one more item I had ordered to arrive. But I don't know when it's going to get here because the shipping or the tracking won't update and, you know, all the things. So I thought I would film this anyway. Again, disclaimer. 1, I paid for this myself. 2, anyone who has followed me for any length of time knows I hoard and collect Doodlebug. I don't often use it, I know, but I love it. It's one of the things that I get joy out of. So, this is the mostly Christmas Doodlebug. I don't even know what this collection is like specifically called. Is it? Yeah, Let It Snow. So that's what it mostly is. But I did throw in a couple other things. There was a previous collection that I shockingly didn't order the entire collection of, but I'm slowly getting it, and that's the Cute and Crafty one that came out back sometime I think in the early summer. So there was like so many cute things in that collection. I will hopefully be able to get my hands on it. But yeah, this is the Cute and Crafty. It's, you know, typical Doodle. I love this rainbow paper. It's really cute and bright and rainbowy. Love, you know. So I got that, and then I got rainbow washi tape. Can't go wrong with rainbow washi tape. And there's a couple other, oh yeah, these. Oh, are these not the cutest things ever? They're little shakers. I love, again, these I collect and hoard. I can't help it, but I'm loving these little cardstock stickers, the ones with the shakers. There's a Christmas one too, and I'll get to that. But like, are those not cute? I'll link to all of it. I also got this pin for my little pin board. And there was another one, because the last collection I didn't get. I can't keep up, man. But I got the pin, the little s'mores pin, because I was like, so trying to get all the things. This box, like literally, instead of just setting everything aside like I normally do, you know, and like having it kind of organized, I'm just like, let's just unbox it and see all the fabulous goodies. So yeah, this winter collection, as always, is absolutely adorable. Yeah, I got extra of these because I was like, 1, I do heart glitter, but maybe I'll actually use it, which is a total lie. You guys know, I'm just gonna hoard it. I'll go through it. I get inspired by it. So, yeah. Anyway, okay. So yeah, Let It Snow. Typical Doodlebug fabulousness. There's 6x6, 12x12, stickers, cardstock stickers, pins, washi tape, everything. There's everything. And it's all amazing, and we loves it. So, it's just so cute. And I love it. I love the little tags. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Got snowflakes and stripes. Little scenes with little yetis. I love it. God, their stuff is so cute. Oh, you could even do a little advent. The back of that paper. It's a little advent, so I'm assuming the 12x12 will have that too. That's really cute. Like, ooh, I like that a lot. Of course, me, it's like, ooh, black and white stripes. Woo, so exciting amidst all the color. Anyway, so there's that. There's stickers, of course. They're super cute. I love it. How can, like, really, seriously, how can you not love Doodlebug? Like, how can you not love this? But again, I'm also like, I love the cutesy. It's just what I do. And then there's the little bit slightly bigger stickers, the icons. Santa on a snowmobile. Oh, this is so cute. Seriously, this is it's so cute. Oh my goodness. I think, you know what, I think the reason I love Doodlebug so much and like all this stuff is this really brings me back to when I was a kid and getting Lisa Frank stuff. Like, oh, there was nothing better than saving up my monies. And then those rare times I'd get taken to Toys R Us. And they had that whole little section there of the Lisa Frank stationery. And I would get, you know, it would take me forever to pick a Lisa Frank set of, you know, and it was the little pack that had like the stationery, the matching envelopes, stickers, etc. Oh, and I wish I had kept all that stuff. Man. I used to write letters to my little pen pals with that stuff. Anyway, this I think is why I'm such a hoarder and collector, because it just brings me right back to that stuff. And yeah, anyway. Stamp sets, absolutely adorbs. So this one's the Arctic Friends stamp set. There are coordinating dies. They weren't in stock when I ordered this, because I would have got the coordinating dies. I love the little fish. They're so cute. I love how he's peeking up. That's so cute. This is such a cute set. And then this one, Winter Wonderland. I am going to have to contact Doodlebug. It's missing a stamp. Right there. I just see that now. I'll have to contact them and be like, oops, there was a little oops there. So yeah. But yeah, still super cute. But I definitely will. I have to set that aside so I remember, because otherwise I'm going to completely forget. See, this is also why you need to go through your things when you order. I hear these things about people like ordering things and it's like, oh, I can't open it for like a week or a month or whatever till my birthday or Christmas. And I was like, dude, open it now. One, because of things like that. You never know, you know, and also why wait, you know? It's all overrated. Just celebrate early. Okay. Pin. I had to get that one. I thought that was so cute. I love their little pins. I have my little pin board. Yeah, I got that one, and I got the little pink narwhal because hello. Same thing. I collect their pins because they're just adorbs and they just make me happy. And then we have like the bling, which is just, if my 8-year-old got her hands on these, they'd be all over the house, and her face and her ears and, you know. So we got the blings. And then we have, of course, the shape sprinkles that are just, I love the billy goat. I just, got narwhals and, so cute. And then we got snowmen, and we got snowflakes. And I think that's it for the bling. The rest are my fabulous stickers. So, yeah. We've got all of these awesome, and they're all like 3D. Again, Doodlebug just knocks it out. They had like little glossy accents to things, glitter, etc. Everything's like 3D decoupage, you know. This little guy, he's a little shaker. He's so cute. Love it. All these little penguins. Love it. We got Santa. There's more in here. Got my narwhal with little fishies. No, this was from the other collection too. So the other one was like glitter. This one's got sequins. How fun are they? Like, honestly. And then this one, I should have ordered like 10 of these. Isn't that fabulous? And yes, if my microphone as always is picking it up, my heater's kicked in. It is cold here today again in Saskatchewan. Washi tape, red and white stripe, and snowflakes. The washi tapes more often than not I use on like envelopes, and or I will literally use them to like tape down wafer dies because it makes me happy even with that. So we got all that, and then let me get this box out of here now that we've kind of got most of it. I also ordered extras of, I got the Cute and Crafty 12 by 12 paper. Just, I like having the big papers for like envelopes and stuff, and when I do slimline cards, but I use this mostly for envelopes because it just, you know, all the envelope wafer dies. So I got that, and I'd also got the Cute and Crafty 12 by 12 with the stickers and everything because it's super cute. And then we've got the Let It Snow 12 by 12, so just the petite prints, Doodlebug's typical stripes and dots and whatnot in colors that go with this collection. And then this one, same thing. This is the pattern papers with the big sheet of stickers. Let's just, This is how I keep them stored. I just, like I do with everything, I take the top off. I keep everything stored in the package. It just makes my life easier. This is the type of packaging also that I use for like flat shakers, and I've foiled on it and stuff. It's the same stuff. So when I do like end up using up a package or whatever, which obviously with Doodlebug I don't, but you know what I mean. This stuff's great. But yeah, this is not the cutest paper ever. Little Santa Claus. This is really cute too. It's not adorable. For scrapbookers, this stuff is of course adorbs. This is, look at how cute this is. Love it. Love it. Got trees and stripes and snowflakes and dots. Stripes. Little winter scenes. Your little house and your Yetis and everything. Ugh, it's so cute. Oh, there, yeah, I was right. So yeah, if you wanted to make your own like advent calendar, isn't that adorable? Love it. Ugh. Anything floral, you've always got me with that. So yeah, here's that black and white stripe. These are so cute. So cute. So got all that, and then of course the big sheet of stickers that are like kind of cardstocky. So got all those, and then last but certainly not least is the odds and ends, bits and pieces, etc. That same thing. I can't help ordering this stuff. It's just so cute. So this one is the bits and pieces, and I think this is all like, yeah, little like tags and whatnot. So you could do like so many easy like Christmas tags, little tabs to decorate. Like seriously, there's so many. I love the little tags. Everything's so cute. Just tons of it. Tons and tons and tons of it. This one's got 42 die cut pieces. This one is the odds and ends, which has 133. It's probably a good thing this stuff didn't exist when I was a kid, because I would have had it like glued to all my walls. Anyway. Yeah. I love that it's even got little like, little water, you know? How cute is this stuff? It's so adorable. I love it. Candy Cane Lane, Santa's Workshop, Reindeer Stables. It's so cute. Man, I wish I could have got this stuff like a couple of months ago. Because then maybe I would have got extras, and then I would have actually created with some of it, and then I'd have enough left over to hoard. This is my thought process, you guys. Like, I've never shied away from the fact that I'm a little bit neurotic. But anyway. He's so cute. He looks like a Squishmallow. Anyway. And there's the little Yeti. Love it. Love it. Doodlebug, as always, is the best. Love them. Like, cutest brand ever. And then last but not least is the Chit Chat, which has like words and banners and things. Again, if you're like, this is more geared towards the scrapbookers again, although a lot of it will fit on cards. It just kind of depends, but this is like meant for like scrapbookers. So you got like all this fun, You Melt My Heart, Farm Fresh Christmas trees, you know. So cute. Love it. Baby, it's cold outside. So much fun stuff. There's so much. There's so much. I love it. I love it. I love it. So yeah. There's the collection in a nutshell. I will link to it. As of right now, I'm not even sure if the other item, it was a limited edition like stocking, like actual stocking, that was filled with a bunch of the Doodle Pop stickers, which are, you know, like all these. So If it's still available or if there's any still left in stock, I will link to it. I'll post a picture so you guys can see what I was talking about and why it's so cute. I'll post a picture, but if it's not, I will edit this part out of the video. So yeah, we'll just see what happens. But yeah, I will have links to everything, you know, if you want to stock up for next year, because why not? And as always, but yeah, I will have links to all of this in the, ooh, let me get that in there before I rip it, in the description box below the video, as well as on my blog. On my blog, it's always picture links, which is super nice. So I'll link to all of that if you guys want to check it out and, you know, just browse all the Doodlebug fabulousness. And yeah, follow me on my social media if you don't already, because that's where I post like sales and updates and just everything. It's an easier way to kind of keep up with what I'm doing. So check that out if you're interested. Everything else will be in the description box below. I will have more videos coming, so stay tuned, and I will see you guys very soon in the next one. Bye!